Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a spot grid bot in Bitget. A spot grid bot is an automated trading tool designed to profit from market volatility by placing a series of buy and sell orders within a specified price range. It aims to buy low and sell high, making small profits on each price fluctuation. This strategy is particularly effective in sideways or ranging markets, allowing you to capitalize on price movements without constant manual intervention. To begin, log into your Bitget account and find the Bots section, usually accessible from the main navigation. From there, select Spot Grid and then choose the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, such as BTC/USD. Next, you'll define your trading parameters. This includes setting the upper and lower price limits for your grid, which determines the bot's operational range. You'll also specify the number of grids, influencing the density of your buy and sell orders, and the total investment amount. Another excellent option is remote play, using an application like Steam Link. This method allows you to stream BeamNG, drive directly from your personal computer to your iPad. First, install the Steam Link app on your iPad and ensure Steam is running on your PC. Both devices must be connected to the same local network. Enable Steam Remote Play in your computer settings, then pair a Bluetooth controller to your iPad for an authentic gaming feel. Once your Spot Grid bot is running, it's essential to monitor its performance. You can track its progress, including realized profits and open orders, in the My Bots section on Bitget. Market conditions can change, so be prepared to adjust your bot's parameters if the price moves significantly outside your defined range. If the market breaks out of your range, you might consider closing the bot and reevaluating your strategy. Regularly analyzing your bot's profit and loss helps refine your approach for future automated trading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.